Okay, cool. So I think we are live. Yes, we are live. And what we're going to be doing in this one is doing a bit of market data stuff. So, yes, we're live, and we're gonna. So this is part of the trading builder trading algorithm course, right? And so what we're going to do in this one is focus on market data. So if you recall from the last one, we built out our state, and now we want to think about getting price history and updating that. Essentially, that is what we're going to do, and all the logic is going to be in this market data class. Really, essentially what that is there. So let's do it. Let's do it. So let's think about when we build one of these, like these market data getters, what are we going to need? So we're probably going to need to request some info from the web. So that would be import requests. Import requests. Cool. Yeah, and then symbol. Yep, symbol. So change in a word. Symbol will be a string, which we'll pass in. Now, what we're gonna do is so essentially we just have the same thing there. So what was it? That's probably the base URL, and then we want to just get candles. Get candles. Candles, yep. Great. So what we will do is, I guess something like this, right? Yeah, so we'll just make a request, and now this thing here, so we'll look at the documentation. So the documentation is going to be so here we go, here's the API, and yeah, so we want something like this, right? And which endpoint are we pinging? We're pinging get trading view chart data, right? Get trading view chart data. Yep, which is yep. Get trading view chart data, and so how does it work? So params, instrument name, timestamp, end stamp, resolution, right? Now, so let's look at each of the parameters. So instrument name required, yep. Timestamp, start time and end time required. Most recent timestamps response. Okay, cool. Okay, so you can get let's just choose like maybe the last like 120 there. So the most recent timestamp to return from. So what I want really is just the data like right now, and then just whatever goes back in time. So what I'm going to try to do is just provide an end timestamp, which is like right now. Actually, you know what? First, I'm going to try send it without this. So let's copy this. Put that. Okay. I'll just put that below. Okay, that's looking good. So the payload could be like this. You know what? Let's do this. So Yep, easy. Give it a save. Ugh, sorry, the format looks just horrible. I don't know, it just doesn't feel right. Isn't good. Okay, looking better. Let's get rid of params because everything is in the payload, right? So payload JSON, yep. Content type. Yeah, I'll just do that. Okay. So just delete all that stuff there. Maybe I'll just move this up a bit. Okay. Has anyone got any questions actually any questions? How are things going on the live stream? Cool. Let me know if you got any questions. Happy to answer them. Happy to answer them. We're just getting some market data here. So sometimes you just gotta go through it, just hack it out. Okay, so what we need to do is we need to think about let's see if we can exclude these and actually we get something, right? Instrument name, let's just go BTC perpetual. Yep. Payload indent block is all whacked out. Okay, that's good. I'll decide to do something with that. Needs to go back. Yep. All that stuff needs to be deleted. Okay, man, I love Vim so much. Vim is awesome, eh? Instant should take self. Yep, makes sense. Self. Okay, cool. Resolution. Let's not do 30. Let's just do like 1. Okay, cool. So name equals main. We'll just do that. That should really be self.symbol, right? Self. Yep, should be that. Okay, that's looking good. Market data. This is print with this. Okay, fingers crossed. Let's see if it worked. Okay, come on. Everything, yep. I'm always like half scared I've stopped streaming, like I've stopped recording, but it'll be fine. Okay, let's do it. Come on. Let's go! Okay, 7. Python. Market data. Ah! No results. Okay, let's see what happened. Let's do that. Okay, looking good. Invalid param data reason value required instrument name. I did have. I guess start time and end time are required. Maybe that's it. Can I just? What if I just do that? That's right. Instrument name. Value required param instrument. What is it? Sure. Oh, come on. Let's see. But it's there. Why doesn't it say one of these ones? That's weird. Okay, come on, let's go. What if we just do that? What happens there? Okay, do that. I think it's just a bad error message. Resolution. Okay, fine. Let's make dates. Let's go and okay, so we're gonna have to do some daytime stuff. Import so what I'm gonna do is essentially pick a user-friendly datetime and then convert that into a timestamp. So from datetime import datetime, yep. And so I'm just gonna say so let's go with yeah, let's do that. What could start time be? Start time could be. You know what? Let's just try that. See if that works. See if that works. Ah! What if I want... Go 60. We'll make a start time as well. What is this? What does this even mean? It's it's that's the number of milliseconds you gotta take away, like in an hour. Why is there 24? Is that because it's a day? Oh no, but I want the resolution to be, so I want the resolution to be 1 minute, right? And then we can get rid of the 24. Can I just 24? Yeah. Gotta use Vim more, so it's gotta delete back. Okay, cool, let's do it. Okay, let's go start time. Yep, that looks good. Delete the line below, that's fine. Ah! What's wrong? Instrument name? Okay. I just forgot a, what's that? Let's try it. What is wrong? Instrument name. Instrument name is definitely there, yeah? It's a get, yeah. Something is weird. Something is up. Something is suspicious, hey? This is some of the most suspicious code I've ever seen in my entire life. What? Like, what is missing? Oh. Should that be an int? I mean, a string? I think so. I hope it's just not that. Oh no, that is a string, yeah. And timestamp? Yeah. Yeah, that's fine. Yep. What is wrong? Ah! Try in the console. Let's see what happens. No options. Let's just... Oh, where's perpetual? BTC perpetual. There's AVAX. AVAX. Ah, wait. Ah, it's okay. What's that? Today? Week? I wonder what that means. Now. Resolution. 1. Get. 0 items. Ah, what does it mean? Yeah. Okay, so that worked, but what's... Ah, Do I need to organize it like that? Come on, Steve. Hold on. Payload. Payload is that. Method is... so suspicious. Like... Get... JSON. Ah, hold on. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Hold on. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Yeah, it might be how we're passing the payload there. Ah! I have to... Can I just go back? Yes, that's what I want. Okay, come on, let's look at the example. Oh no, the payload is the whole... Payload. I don't even think that's right. Like, is that right? JSON payload. Like... Am I forgetting something? So sometimes like this is why I wanted to put this in a live stream, because like even I struggle with like I feel this is just generic documentation. It's like auto generated. It's not like I feel I'm doing this exactly, but it's not working right. So why does it hurt to debug things? It's instrument name, right? Instrument name. Because it wants... come on. Jeez. Is it params? No, it's not. There's not an option for params. Ah! Param. Param. Params. Params. I mean... Public. Oh. Do we need to put it there twice? Here. So... Wait, no, that doesn't make sense, because we put it here. Ugh. Why? Okay, just ask Claude. Okay. Okay, cool. So I get this when I run market. Yep. Okay, let's see. Okay. Same issue. Request. What? What? That doesn't make okay. So it's like I'm actually posting params and it's gonna return something. I'd use that. Yeah. Yeah, this should be a post. This should be a post. This is just I think this is wrong. This is wrong. Okay, so who is Claude? So we'll get it to change it to post. So it's okay, so it's post now. Let's see. Ah! JSON RPC message method not found. Okay. Okay, maybe that was right. This is stupid. This is man, I don't like this. Okay, this is stupid. Let's just do it another way. Let's do it like this. Screw it. Delete, 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 delete. I just love to delete a bunch of shit. Feels so powerful. Okay. We do this. Resolution. Delete, delete. Symbol. Okay, let's try this one. Okay, it's response. Let's go print. Yep. Try that. Instrument name. Instrument. God damn! Start time required. We gotta put those times in. So start time, end time. Here we go. That's what we wanted. Finally. Okay, cool. So that's awesome. That works. That's good. Now, what we're gonna do is take that, and I'm feeling like we should. I'm gonna use NumPy to store those. Actually, is that a good idea? Maybe. Nah, actually, not NumPy. Okay. So what we're doing here is we're getting the last hour of data. So maybe I can use something like Okay, so let's go for 60. So that's 60 times 60. That's actually in minutes. So that's the window. So I could just say window mins. So window in minutes, and I'm just gonna window min. So that should be times 60. Okay, cool. So that'll give us the last hour of minute data. Yeah, that's what that'll do. Okay, so that's the candles. Yeah. And then what we can do from there is we'll just say, make another function that's like get closes, like close history. Okay, so we just do that. Result ticks. And then it gives us like the time as well. Do we want the time? I think we just want that. Yeah. We can just do this, right? Okay, that's great. Good job, good job, good job, good job. And that needs to be in a separate indentation. Save it. Okay, let's try this. So let's go candles. Okay, yep. So that's not that's candles. That's which is great. Good, 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 good. But we actually want close. Ah, come on. Close history. Yes. Yes. That's what we want. Good. So that's the closes. Then is it going backwards in time or forwards in time? So let's just have a look at, can we go to like Deribit? No, not the docs. Trade. So I'm just gonna check what the price is of Bitcoin perpetual. 68. Okay, 60. It is about 580. Yeah, so the last one is the most recent. Yes, that makes sense. Yep, yep, yep. Okay, cool. That's good. have that under control. Lovely. So we have a nice list there. So good job. Good job. Give yourself a high five if you followed along so far. Now what we're gonna do, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna use this to update the state essentially, which is awesome. Yes, it is awesome. So here, update price. So let's tell you what, we'll update the price and the history. So we will from market data, import market data. Yep, and I'm just gonna say, like for this whole series, we're just gonna be trading the BTC perpetual. That's it. Yeah. So that's the price, like the last value, and then obviously the then the history is just gonna be I think I just want to override it. I don't want to append anything. History. I don't want to reuse it too much. So close. Oh, we don't even need to we can just delete that, right? And we don't need a, because it's just an unnecessary calculation. So we just say that, and then change self dot history. History just equals that. Okay. Cool. Does that make sense? Okay. I think I'm gonna leave it there. So what we've done is we've just ended up getting market data, right? Which was here. And then what we do is we use this method, right? And we just put it into our state. So every time we run update state, we'll update our positions, which was the previous day. And then now we're going to be updating the price with this function here. Okay, cool. Has anyone got any questions? I think this is a good time to end the stream. Let me know. Any questions? Happy to answer them. Otherwise, I will log off. Any questions at all? Okay, cool. I think we've been streaming quite a long time, so 30 minutes. That's pretty good. It's pretty good. Okay, so I guess I will see you in the next one.